Money market funds has been the talk of the town for the last like 1 year. Everyone now knows about money market fund. It is very easy to find someone talking about money market funds either positively or negatively, and that can also be reflected by the numbers that were reported by CMA for the Q2 2025. Now, but the question is, what next after a money market fund? Is that the end, or what should you do next? Welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, a platform here we engage in conversation that endeavor to enhance our financial literacy. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we get to post a new financial tip. Now, we are still trying to break down the report that was released by the Capital Market Authority for Q2 2025 corrective investment schemes. And Capital Market Authority reported that the assets that were under management as at 30th June 2025 was 596.3 billion. Now, I want us to break down this amount into the different collective investment schemes that were reported by CMA. And as it was obvious, money market fund has been the talk of the town. It is the one that everyone knows about, so it had to take the biggest portion. So money market funds took 62.5% of the 596 billion. It means that 62.5% of the investors of the 596.3 billion invested in money market fund. Then the fund that followed was special funds at 19.0%, then followed by fixed income fund at 17.7%, equity fund at 0.5%, and balanced fund at 0.3%. These funds have different features and attract different kinds of investors. And I'm sure that the reason as to why the money market funds attracts so many people, number one, it is the availability of information. I'm sure among 100 people who will talk about collective investment scheme, 98 will talk about money market fund, and the remaining 2 might mention something about balanced funds, and that's why we have 62% of people in money market fund and only 0.3% in balanced fund. Also in terms of risk, we know that they are low risk, and a majority of the people want that safety of their money, want to feel safe with their money, and so many other factors. But now you have opened a money market fund, you have put an emergency fund that might last you 3 to 6 months of your savings. Should that be the end? Should you continue pumping that money market fund? Should you continue pumping money into a money market fund? Now, I want to confirm to you that money market fund is not the end game. Money market fund is not the only fund that you can find in the field of collective investment scheme. As you continue working on your money market fund, this is an eye-opener to you that there are other funds that they might be more riskier than money market fund, but they might offer better returns than money market fund. And now that you have a money market fund, it means you already have some foundation, you already have some base. So it might be the opportunity now that you take and start learning about other funds that you can diversify to instead of focusing on money market fund alone. Now, we have special funds. They are giving better rates than money market fund, but remember, their risk is higher than that of a money market fund. We have fixed income funds. We know the rates of money market funds keep on changing. So when you talk about fixed income, we are talking a fund whose income is fixed. We have equity funds that collect funds to invest in stocks. You don't want to invest in stocks alone, but you want it done by a professional. So you join an equity fund. So balanced funds are funds that combine both stocks and the bonds. So this is just an eye-opening that your game should not end at money market fund. Your personal finance journey should not end at money market fund. That is just a beginning. Other than other assets that are out there, here are other funds that you might consider to put in your basket. Yes, they are more risky, but they might give better returns than a money market fund. So we have special funds, we have fixed income funds, we have equity funds, and we have balanced funds. Now, tell me from the list of the four, what kind of fund do you want to learn more about? Let me know in the comment section.